Welcome back. Today, we balance chemical equations, ensuring mass conservation in every reaction. A balanced equation has equal atoms on both sides, following the law of conservation of mass. For simpler equations, use the inspection method. Determine reactants, products, write formulas, then select coefficients. Always check your work by counting atoms. Only coefficients, not subscripts, balance atoms. Let's balance methane combustion. CH4 plus O2 yields CO2 and H2O. Represent reactants. By inspection, add coefficients to balance atoms. Methane combustion needs 1 CH4, 2 O2, CO2, 2 H2O. For more complex equations, the algebraic method is often necessary. This systematic approach uses variables to find the correct coefficients. Assign A, B, C as coefficients. Form relationships, solve for variables, assuming one coefficient is unity. Mastering these balancing techniques is fundamental to understanding chemistry and predicting outcomes. Practice.